Hello everybody, so I did my nails for the Rauw Alejandro concert and I kind of did like this bubble nail thing. Like you seen the thumbnail, you see it. But anyways, now the first thing I did was I measured like everything. I already know my sizes, so I just took them and then I buffed the inside so that it adheres better to your nails. And here I'm taking a what is that thing called, like a sanding band, and I like put the edges on, like I smooth out the edges so it doesn't destroy or hurt my cuticles. And right here I'm just sanding my nails so that okay, has anybody ever taken like a pottery class and you had to like edge, if you were like to attach a piece of clay to another piece of clay, you had to edge it and then like put like clay and then like oh my gosh, okay, anyways, like you edge both sides so it adheres better. That's kind of like the same concept here right now. And then I wiped my nail with rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and now I'm just pushing back the cuticles. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, scraping. I don't know what that's called, so if any real nail techs want to let me know, please let me know in the comments because I don't know what's going on. Anyways, after that I am just going to cut my cuticles. This is optional. You don't have to do this. You can if you want. If you don't, that's perfectly fine too. And I'm taking the lint-free wipe again and some rubbing alcohol and wiping my nails off. And then after that, it is time. So I'm gonna be prepping my nails with like a dehydrator so that there's like no oils on your nails or anything like that. So I'm gonna be prepping. Then I'm putting this base gel on. I have these black gloves to protect from the UV of the lamp, but honestly y'all could just use sunscreen on your hands. You don't have to get these. And furthermore, I don't even know if UV damage, like if UV light from gel nails can cause like a significant amount of damage over time, so it's really up to you. But back to the base gel, I'm just putting that on all of my nails carefully, and then I'm going to be putting it into the lamp. And then I'm using a lint-free wipe, and the thing with this is that when you're putting on the extension, so I am putting on nail glue, or it's literally just base gel, and I'm putting on a considerable amount so that, you know, there's no air bubbles and whatnot. But when you do this, you want to make sure you go in one smooth motion, because if not, like if you lift it up and then try to put it back down, it's going to create an air bubble. So I recommend that, you know, you just, when you go with it, just commit 100%, because if you don't, you'll have air bubbles towards your cuticle. And then I'm taking this cone-shaped ceramic tip and just going around my cuticles and other areas to make sure that it looks very much polished. And then I'm taking this cuticle nipper to take out some of the gel that may have like spilled out. And then I'm filing my nails so that it's a very defined, very sharp, and then wiping with a lint-free wipe and what is it called, rubbing alcohol. And then here I am putting on my base coat color, which is but I know the color is called Garden Rose. I will link it below. And then here I'm using this tool in order to help me create a French tip. Honestly, y'all could just buy these Amazon like press-ons that are already French tips, so I recommend doing that, and I'll link it below. And then here I am putting on some top coat, and then I will cure that before I go in with the little like gems that I'm gonna stick on with just regular super glue. You could use gel, but I find super glue to be way easier because all you have to do is just put it on. You don't have to cure anything, it just automatically stays, and they be stuck, like you will see, but they literally don't really come off. So I'm just using my fingers, my nails, and then I am also using tweezers in order to help me put on the little beads or whatever. And there's really no pattern. Like I like to alternate with big ones and small ones, as y'all can see here. And here they are a couple weeks later. As you can see, they just don't come off. Like the little gems, they don't come off in comparison to when I tried it with gel. It just did not, they just came off, okay? But the super glue, it is stuck down. But if y'all like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and whatnot. But thank y'all so much for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.